Meet Donovan and Kane, two flower lovers with big hearts, and a surprise growing between the two of them when they discover a white rose blossoming. They discover an unexpected connection. Now they have to answer a very important question. Should they keep the rose for themselves or learn to share something special? Join us on a heartwarming adventure about kindness, friendship, and making the best out of unexpected situations. This book is titled The Rose That Grew in My Yard and will be read by Fyheem Clark. So let's get into it, shall we? Once upon a time, there were two men, Kane and Donovan, who loved running their flowers because they believed running their flowers would help them harvest better. So every morning, they both ran, carrying their little rose seed bags. Donovan's bag was always open at the top, and Kane's bag had a little hole in it. As they ran, seeds quietly fell off their bags and onto the ground. Donovan always took the shortcut through his lawn on his way back in the house. He didn't mind if the seeds fell as he ran because it was his lawn anyway. But Kane also sometimes took that same shortcut through Donovan's front lawn without realizing seeds were falling out of his bag onto Donovan's lawn too. Don carried red seeds and Kane carried white seeds. Day after day, they ran, and day after day, seeds fell. Soon, little green plants began to grow in Don's yard. Donovan was so happy about his seedlings, thinking all that running sure did help them grow. He watered the plants, pulled weeds, and made sure they got plenty of sunshine. As the flowers grew, he noticed something surprising. Most of the roses were red, but one was white. He said, maybe one of my red roses grew differently. So he paid it no mind and continued to take care of it. The white rose grew bigger and stronger every day. Donovan loved that white rose just as much as all of the red ones. One morning, he looked out the window and saw someone running through his lawn. That's strange, he thought. A few days later, he noticed the runner lived nearby. And guess what? The runner's yard was filled with beautiful white roses. Donovan became curious. So one day, he walked over and asked, "Have you ever dropped any white rose seeds in my lawn?" Kane smiled and said, "It's possible," as he looks down and notices the tiny hole in his rose bag. Donovan suddenly thinks everything makes sense. The white rose had probably grown from the runner's seeds he's been dropping. Donovan thought carefully and deeply about the rose that had grown in his lawn, that he had watered and cared for, but the seed belonged to someone else. After thinking for a while, he came up with an idea. He gently moved the white rose into a flower pot. Now the rose could spend time in both places. Sometimes it sat in the yard where it grew, and other times the white rose visited the yard where his fellow seedlings came from. That way, Kane and Donovan can enjoy its beauty. The white rose became a reminder to them both that kindness grows when people share. The end. Activity questions. Think about it. If you were the man who took care of the rose, what would you do? Would you keep it because you raised it? Or would you share it because the seed belongs to someone else? And why? Thanks for listening to The White Rose That Grew in My Yard by Fyheem Clark. Coloring book edition also available now. A part of the King Five's Perspective series. Google King Five's Perspective, book, ebook, and audiobook available now. King Five's Perspective Epic Book Club every first Wednesday of the month, once at 9 a.m. and then again at 6:15 p.m. live on YouTube, Bigo, and TikTok.